Hello, pupils. How are you doing today? I wish you a wonderful and a fun-filled Children's Day. And I welcome you to another literacy class. Today, I'll be teaching you about present and the past tense. We'll be looking at definition of tenses, examples, sentences, and assessments. The tenses. You've learned that a verb is an action or a being word. Examples of verbs like sit, go, jump, play, eat. A verb that shows when an event happens is called a tense. So the two types of tenses we'll be looking at today are the present tense, which shows an event happening now, and the past tense, which shows an event that already happened. The present tense. The present tense shows an event happening now. When pronouns I, you, we, and they are used in an event, the verbs are written without any suffix s. Remember, suffix is the word you add at the end of a root word. So I give you an example of a present tense sentence. I eat rice and chicken every morning. The eat there is without an s. When pronouns he, she, and it, or nouns like Ben, the dog, the woman are used, the verbs end with suffixes s or es. Example, she goes to school every day. Now more examples. When you use the pronoun I, the present tense will be love. In the sentence, I love to swim. When you use the pronoun you, the present tense will be wash. You wash the dishes. The pronoun he or noun John, the present tense will be does. He does his homework, or John does his homework. When you use the pronoun she or Paula, the present tense will be reads. She reads a book always, or Paula reads a book always. When you use the pronoun it in place of the noun the dog, the present tense will be barks. It barks loudly, or the dog barks loudly. For the pronoun we, representing John and I, the present tense will be go. We go to school every day. For the pronoun they, representing Paula and Grace, the present tense will be help. They help their mother. The past tense. The past tense shows an event that already happened. The suffix ed is usually added to verbs to show past events, e.g. jumped, walked, moved. There are cases where the past tense of a verb changes completely, e.g. went, did, sat, was, while verbs like read remain the same in spelling. Examples. I, in the past tense, loved. I once loved swimming. For you, the past tense, washed. You washed the dishes, right? The pronoun he or John. The past tense will be did. He did his homework yesterday, or John did his homework yesterday. For the pronoun she or the noun Paula, the past tense will be read. She read a book last week, or Paula read a book last week. For the pronoun it, meaning the dog, the past tense will be barked. It barked loudly last night, or the dog barked loudly last night. For the pronoun we, meaning John and I, the past tense will be went. We went to school last term. For the pronoun they, the past tense will be helped. They helped their mother with the food, or you can say Paula and Grace helped their mother with the food. I'm going to share with you more examples on the present tense and the past tense. For the present tense, we laugh, I sleep, you are good, he sings, they dance, she writes. More examples on the past tense. It ran faster. We touched it. They listened quietly. I came last night. You were there. She cried quietly. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope the lesson is clear. Thank you. And remember to go to the portal for your assignment. Bye.